Okay, today we're going to be replacing the headlights. Like I said, when I went to buy these, all I could find is the set of all four, so we're going to be replacing these two. This one's got a broken clip. It's supposed to hold this plug. I already undid. And then they say you're supposed to just grab here and pull, but it's already broken. So it's a good thing I'm replacing all of that. This side, I pulled this side out, and that clip had already been broken. It's a good thing we're replacing these. Seems like this grill's missing pretty much all the clips. So I found these on Amazon. They're supposed to be the clips that go in all these little holes. We'll see if they work. There's one there, I think. Supposed to push down and undo. Yeah. So I'll replace all those. And then I think you just pull the bottom, it pops out, and get this whole grill coming off here shortly. Also got new lights. A couple of them are burned out. A couple of them are scratched up, showing white through. A lot of these clips were broken, but you got these three just snap in down there. And now that that's off, you can get to these bolts here and here for the headlights. Take the headlights out. There's that old guy. Yeah, I also have to clean up behind the headlights. Okay, it looks a little better, all cleaned up. Probably thinking of buying a new grill, just because so many clips are broke on the back of this one, but I think we'll hold that off till I get the new bumper and figure out what color scheme I'm going to go. So let's get these new headlights installed. These look pretty sharp. Okay, get the headlights back in. These little clips down here go in those slots right there. Okay. Those look pretty nice. Okay, I ordered a new grill, but in the meantime, since 3 of these clips are broken, I just drilled some holes. Just put a zip tie around it. At least it'll hold the grill in. Alright, it takes 3157s in the gray socket and 3757 in the black socket. Got the driver's side light all done with the new bulbs. And then it goes in, these little tabs just go right in there. And then that little clip goes in that hole. Let's get that. Just like that. And we plug in the harness. One side. Look at the other one. And it comes with these little stickers over the lenses so dirt doesn't get in the housing. Okay, I have to tape this back up. When I bought the truck, it has this light up bow tie, which I kind of like. I'll probably wire it up better when I redo the front grille, but for now I'm just going to tape these up, put this side back together. Those little zip tied clips seem to be holding pretty well, so we'll just have that in there temporary until I get the new grille.